Good morning, I'm Sarah. Today is September 23rd and it's 7 o'clock. The temperature now is 23 degrees Celsius and it's a sunny day. Over 40 million adults have an anxiety disorder in the US, according to the US Census Bureau Hospital Survey. One third of adults have reported anxiety and depression symptoms in 2023. Today, our reporter Isadora is in front of the hospital with the specialist Rafaela to give us more information. Good morning, Isadora.
Good morning, Sarah. Today we are in front of the hospital with the specialist in mental health, Rafaela, to answer some questions. Good morning, Rafaela. Good morning, Isadora. Can you explain to us what is the causes of anxiety disorder?
The causes of anxiety disorders are fully understood. Life experiences such as traumas appear to trigger anxiety disorders in people who are already prone to anxiety. Inherited traits also can be affected.
What are the principal symptoms caused by anxiety?
Rapid breathing, lightheadedness, abdominal pain, indigestion, and chest pain, and the others.
What stage is the of people with anxiety?
One survey found that young people are more likely to experience symptoms of anxiety than other adults. In teenagers between 13 and 18 years old, 31.9% are affected by anxiety.